Ngibingelela ngelihle igama lenkosi uJesu. Ngifunda izwi likaNkulunkulu from the book of 1 Samuel chapter 1 verse 22. Ifundeka kanje from the King James Version. Ithi, "But Hannah went not up, for she said unto her husband, I will not go up until the child be weaned. And then I will bring him, that he may appear before the Lord, and there abide forever. But Hannah went not up, for she said unto her husband, I will not go up until the child be weaned. And then I will bring him, that he may appear before the Lord, and there abide forever." Hallelujah. Ngimane ngilifunda and the Lord keeps saying the same thing ukuthi Hannah was blessed by God with a baby. The first thing that me and you would do if we're blessed by the Lord with a child is to run to the place of worship with that body, with that newborn baby, with that newborn. Yena uthe ngeke ngiye. I will not go up with you, my husband. Ngizolinda lo mntwana to pass this weaning phase, and then ngimhambise to ba ayohlala forever in the house of God. Njengoba ngangithembisile ukuthi if uNkulunkulu ngipha umntwana, ngiyombuyisela kuye, ngiyomnikela kuye njengaNkulunkulu ongiphile, ngiyokwenza lokho engakwethembisa. So she saw it important ukuhlala naye kuqala endlini, akamfihle kancane, angahambi naye. Don't mind me, I was eating turmeric ice blocks. Wamisa esembona ukuthi useqinile for ukuthi ayohlala-ke ethempileni, where he served, where he ministered, where he heard the call of God esemncane. Nansi enye into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo, ukuthi uSamuel aqalanga ukuzwa the call of God ena-30 noma ena-40 noma eretire ena-60. Uzwe esemncane elele emane ehambe eya ku-Eli